Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you another cool application in the Canva called Cool Text Maker, and as the name is pretty straightforward, it's another amazing text creator application. First we check the application card in the Canva. As you can see, this Cool Text Maker created by Imagination Soft create beautiful text for your project and design. That's pretty straightforward. As you can see, we can find lots of pre-designed text effects, and this is what we can choose. So before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So first I just close this page. Already opened a new page on my Canva. Go into the app, typing for cool. Already have this Cool Text Maker. Open it. And as you can see here, we have this predefined text effect. So at first I choose this hello. Just typing to Canva. As you can see, the issue is here. The maximum amount of characters is really little low. So we can type maximum 16 characters, which is not so much. And for this text, for this effect, we can change only the font. I just try to find something nice. Just a big or fat one. I like this. And as I always mention, keep in mind, if you are using a different language than English, might be not all the fonts have all these special characters. So if you find a nice font type, it's not necessary have all the characters what you need. This one you always have to check it first. So the only thing what we can do here, we can change the color. Or actually, I don't know why it's not really working for me. So just try again. Cool Text Maker. So I try to do it again. Hello. Just type Canva. Now I don't want to change the color, just the font type. Back to Bagel Fat 1. And add to design. Already added. Like on this size. And the big difference between the other app that I showed yesterday, here we do not need to download it. That's already an image. As you can see here, already you have this BG remover, and then when I click on edit, already have the normal image editor. In the Canva, click on shadow, add the drop shadow, and it's already added to my text. So if I turn it back, I just use this cool. No, it's not done. I don't like it. We have to find something different. I try this. Just adding the teacher. Here I would that to use the same font type. If I find it, yes, a Bagel Fat one. I like this font. And here we can also we can change lots of colors. We have lots of colors in the design, and with this depth, as you can see, we can add some shadow already, and with the direction, we can change the direction of the colors, like same as I showed yesterday, the type gradient, but here is different, work a bit differently, and we cannot change actually the ratio of this transparent portion. So like this, just let's use all the colors like this one. So I just adding to the design. Also wait until it's uploaded. Now it's uploaded. I'm going to the edit, shadow, drop shadow. I just increasing the size a bit to this. And going back one more and try to find something cool. This is cool. And change it to tutorial. And here also can change the colors. First of all, I just need to change my text to the bagel fat one, and here we can change the color. But now I'm okay with it. So just add into design. I don't know why these two images are not the same. Here we can see this nice outlines. Here is nothing. So I don't like this. Just try to find something different, which is cool. Use this. So this one has to be tutorial. The font is, I have to find again the bagel, my favorite one. Even I can search for it. I don't know why I'm scrolling down. And here we can change the colors, but now I don't change any color. And now this one is working perfectly. And also edit, add shadow, drop shadow, yes. Position, center, center, center. I can increase the size a bit, going back to center. Again, like this. Keep it in the center. I just group them like this. This looks good, but this blue portion is not so nice due to I cannot really see the letters. With the lighter colors, it looks amazing. Here with the darker colors are not that nice, but still the application is good. We just have to find a way to create what we really need and use the application in a proper way. That's not the fault of the application. That's might be fault of me. But I'm pretty amazed with this software. I really like it. The application. And also you also like my tutorial. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if I miss anything from the tutorial or you miss anything in my tutorial, or if you struggling anything in a Canva. Not only with this application, just general, and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page where you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. They also have amazing tutorials. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for a different kind of application. So if you're also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.